How to use Hedra AI Corrector 3. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Hedra AI Corrector 3. So this website has recently been updated and it was really good before as well, and it has been updated to become even better. For those who don't know what Hedra AI does, is that basically it helps you create lip syncing videos. It has perfectly lip synced videos with the audio, and here you can see for yourself like what kind of videos they make. Like you can give them prompts and they can make any video for you, or they can even generate images for you and then combine them to create videos. So here you can just read the community spotlight that these are the videos created by numerous people, and you can see for yourself how real these videos look. You can even give them a complete script or whatever, and then the AI will generate a video for you. And you can also read the FAQs over here. Now talking about pricing, let's go over here. Now you can see the free plan is $0 per month, and it includes 200 credits per month, generates limited to 20s in length, and slower generations, cannot purchase credit packs, and no commercial use. The basic one is for $8 per month. It was previously $10, but now it is dropped to $8. And it includes 1,000 credits per month and other things. You can give it a rate over here. And then we have the creator mode, that is for $24 per month. It includes 3,600 credits per month, and credits roll over month to month, and they have premium voices, voice cloning, and other stuff. And then we have the professional one, that is for $60 per month. It includes 11,000 credits per month. Credits roll over month to month, premium voices, voice cloning, commercial use, no watermark, purchase additional credit packs that roll over. All credits expire upon canceling account. And then you can choose the specific plan or even sign up now. Now let us go and create an account on Hedra AI. So you can either type in your email, password, confirm password, or simply log in with Google. So I'm going to click on login with Google, and once I do so, I'll be redirected to the Google sign up page. So here I'm going to choose the account and then click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the interface of Hedra AI by signing into your Hedra AI account. Now, once you do select your Google account, you're going to select the terms of service and then clarify that I am over the age of 18. I agree to receive emails, and then you're going to click on create account if you wish to receive emails, obviously. And click on create an account and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Now, at the top, you'll be able to see three options: video, image, and library. So for image, you can simply give them your prompt. For example, you can describe your image. You can create an image with flux, describe your image with as much detail as possible inside the prompt box. Or you can also click on inspire me, and they're going to give you various random prompts to generate, such as anxious princess in haunted mansion in pop art style, nervous modern day sorceress staring at the mysterious artifacts in cartoon style. And you can also select which one you wish to use, such as Imagen, ideogram. So these are different models, and then you can select what resolution you want it to have. And then coming to video, you're going to type down your prompt character with emotion and gesture. Here you're going to select your model. For example, we have Hedra Character 3, VO2, Killing, that is Kling 1.6, but these both are premium. And then we have Minimax. So let us use this one. And here you can see that I have 400 credits right now. And then you can also select the aspect ratio, and then you can select the resolution, and then you can select what duration you want the video to have. And over here we have audio script. So you can simply click on it and click on generate script. And here you can type what would you like your character to say. So you can simply type anything down. For example, if you're using the video for commercial purpose, you can give your commercial script over here, and they're gonna make a video for you. Or you can also tell them anything you want them to say. For example, if you want the character to sing a song, you can simply type down the lyrics over here along with the tones, and they're gonna sing it for you. And here you're going to select the voice. For example, you want it to be Daniel British, Drew American. So there are different accents that you can choose from. And here you can see the language is auto. but you can select specifically any language that you want the video to have. And then we have create voice, so you can simply click on it and it says you can clone a voice. How to clone a voice? Please record and read out the following statements authorizing us to use your voice. For best results, speak clearly and with range in your voice. I authorize Hedra to clone my voice. So this is basically a statement that you have to accept. That is, I authorize Hedra to clone my voice. This is an imitation of my voice that I can use to effortlessly create recordings of me speaking. I retain control over my voice and I can delete it at any time from the voice library. So you can simply click on press to record, and then you can record your voice over here. And then you can click on upload audio, and you can upload any existing audio file that you have of your voice over here in your computer. And after that, we have options such as generate audio if you wish to generate that. And then we have image frame over here. You can upload any image, like if you want the image to be transformed into any video and the image, or rather the person in the image, to be speaking something. This is the best option for you. And then you can click on capture image if you wish to capture any image, and you can also create an image using AI. Like, you can give them the prompt. It will use basically this feature image, and you can give them the prompt to create an image, and once the image is created, you can simply transform that image into a video. Now, if you wish to inspire, like it says, person raises their arms up and down with concern, person waves their hands as at you. So let me write a prompt such as a princess singing alone, sad in the balcony. So it is basically a prompt that I'm going to write over here. And after that, I'm going to click on this over here that it says please select an audio script and an image. So you're going to specifically select an image and audio script. So I'm going to upload any audio script. For example, I'm going to generate speech. I'm going to say something like give them a lyric or anything. So I type these down over here, like I'm going to type this down over here. Then you're going to add to video. So you're going to choose voice, and then you're going to choose the image. So once I've chosen my speech, so I'm going to click on add to video, and then you're going to click on image frame, and we're going to create an image. For example, we're going to type something like a princess sad on a balcony, like the same prompt that I gave there. And then I'm going to press enter, and it's going to consume a bit of coins that we have, and just wait for it to get loaded. Now you can see that this image has been created, so I'm going to click on add to video. And then I'm going to click on this over here, and you can see that how much consumes it will take. So over here you can see that there are 20 generations in the free queue, and the free wait time is 4 hours, and the subscriber wait time is 0. So if you have subscribed to Hedra Character 3, then you'll notice that the video has been generated to you right at the same time. But if you have, like, if you're using the free version like I'm using right now, then you'll have to wait for 4 hours in order to generate the results of it. And once the generation is complete, you will find the asset in your library, and you may subscribe to a plan to skip the queue, or click continue to wait. So you can simply wait for it, and after 4 hours and after the waiting period is over, the video would be created, and you'll be able to see that in library over here. So you can simply click on library, and you'll be able to see all of the videos. Like, you can see that this is the picture that I just created. So if you wish to get the video, you'll be able to see that over here as well. So you can simply click on videos, and you'll be able to see them over here. And that's it. That was basically how you can use Hedra Character 3. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.